Well, hello, it's Bears back. Got a lock for you today. It says pinned by steel pinnings 11/20/16. There's the bitting on the key. Works super smooth. So apparently this lock's been around a while. Let's see what we can do with it. And I'm going to go all the way to the back and start. There we are. Okay, that just kind of like took off. Alright. Okay, it's going, and we're open. Alrighty. I don't know what to say, folks, since I just guess I tickled the right keys, the right pins in the right order, right? I'm going to lock it back up since we have a key, and let's go ahead and get into this thing. Pull that off, and let me move some of this stuff. And that was a shock, guys. That was really a shock. I was not expecting that. Okay, so let me get this. Turn it that way. Alright. Out the way. So, uh-oh. Ooh. Don't push out on me. There we go. I think we got it in there, hopefully. Would be nice. Okay. Alright. Here's our pins. Ooh, number 1. That's overset trap for sure. Wow. A big time overset trap. Oh man. There. Oh, and by the way, Bobby, I really appreciate this pinning tray. If you haven't noticed, I use it an awful lot. I really thank you for that, brother. Now looks like we got threading in 2, 4, and 5. And nothing in the other 2. Alright. Let's get that out the way. Let's flip her over. My tweezers. What in the world? Oh, the whole thing's coming out. I didn't. Hold on. The whole thing came out on me. Okay. So now we're here. It was running away from me. Okay, number 1. And that would be number 2. See, I can count. Well, up to 5. Maybe 6 sometimes. That 7th one always confuses me. Wait. There's something else there. Oh, it must be a drunken spool. Come on up. There's the There's a little booger. Up, come here. Don't do this. It's yeah, that's what it was. Drunken spool on that one. Okay, we'll go one more. Oh, nice. Nice pin on that one. There we go. And now into the back. The back. Oh, wow, that thing had a spring on it. Okay, now it came up like that. Okay. And there's its spring. And let's say got threading and 4 and 5 and 2. So 2, 4, and 5 are threaded in the top. Now this is still Pinnings. 11, 20, 16. So it's been around a while, guys. You've probably seen it several times. And okay, focus right there. Look at all those little threads. If you get that up there, you're in trouble. That's a nice little spool there, and spool there with some light little threads there and one deeper one, and this nice spoolish, and then you got your pretty thick drunken spool. These two are both serrated, and it's got like a serrated then spool, tapered down spool, and then a real good serrations there, and then a couple spools there. And the pins are different. You got to get that German shedder hair out of here. Yeah, so there you go, folks. That's what's in still Pinnings 11, 20, 16. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun, guys. Bye.